Patrick Mahomes throws 27-10. Throws for 4 touchdowns, should have made an extra point. Anyway, Patrick Mahomes is way better than Lamar LQ Sucksack Jackson. This is just a matter of time. Jackson, your 2-year sort of good run was over. It's over. But anyway, the Chiefs will get the ball back after the half, score 4 more touchdowns. You guys are going to beat 57-17. That's my factinian.